Today, I wanted to show you last video tutorial having object in the scene because I have to show you how to simulate sky texture in Blender because we got a new sky texture which was available in Blender 2.92 version which was released back to 2022. The sky preset is called Nishita, and today I must show you what I have done by using Nishita and how to add sky texture. When you go to shading, I wanted to show you from the beginning what to do. We got thing likes thing world, but this I think this is only partially supported in viewport. When you switch to cyclist, you can see in real time depending what computer you have. Because if you have computer with graphics card like this, it should be okay if your processor is fast enough and you got plenty of RAM. There shouldn't be any issue. Okay, geometry. Okay, I can show you, but you have to switch from object to world. We add the texture, sky texture. We connect input to color. Then I will show you. Sky elevation is located here. Sun size. Depending what position of your sun is, then you can see where part of the building will be leak up. Sun rotation, sun intensity. Maybe I will decrease to 2.1. This should be enough. Little bit less than that. Also, if we change the atmosphere air, this also makes changes. Gas. So you will see line horizon in different location. If we change ozone, okay, what about this? I don't know what this option is to do with, but I don't see any visible changes, but I show you what you can do. Sun elevation, or you can increase, decrease, so you can have late evening sunset. I just wanted to check something. Oh, we have perfect afternoon. Ozone, you can increase or decrease ozone. Air, gas. I like the way I simulate sky changing the gas parameter. I think I have to decrease sun intensity. Oh, I think that is perfect. You can see, because you will be able to see wall texture, sun location. Now our sun is located here. You can see shadow. Shadows are placing here, are being placed here. It all depends what direction of your sun is. Okay, well, let's check elevation. I will increase a little bit. I will leave as it is, because you can also increase sun size. But we now have to change value. Oh, that value I think is perfect. But I will increase a little bit. I will zoom in so you can see exactly what value I have used. This second, this is important too. I think this is one of the best settings I could use. I like how shadows go, but this also is important when you got lamp the sun in your scene, so you can simulate shadows. Make sure you have powerful power supply so you can easily so you don't have any disconnections, because if your power supply is not strong enough you can face issue. You can also increase or decrease sky intensity, because this is important as well. Okay, I think we have perfect settings. Depending if you want to have day or night. You can also I will show you something. You can also do uh, you can also change position of your sun. Where is this? This should be visible. I think I cannot get why this icon, preview icon, is not visible here. Because in the past I could change position of the preview icon here. They changed something. Because in the past, what we got here? Ah, because I use different preset. As you can, I hope you like this video tutorial. I showed you what you can do. Sun size, because we got also different presets, but I showed you this. What if I change air? So you can have very late afternoon by changing air. You can have evening. Dusk. Dusk I changed. I think that is perfect. I will have to go to the gym, people, in a minute. I hope you like my video tutorial. But you have to consider also this option, shading, cast shadow caustics, receive shadow caustics, because I didn't show you this. What about like option? We have like groups as well, but I haven't used this option yet. Also, I have to check settings like paths, caustic, reflective caustic. This is a filter glossy. You can use higher value to remove any white points. This option is to do with metal materials if you want to get rid of noise from metal materials. Uh, this option is important. We also have fast GI approximation. Oh, this can be useful. It's up to you. Replace or add. I like this option. Okay, I think that's it because I will have to go to the gym. But mainly tutorial was about sky texture Nishita.